I'm Brooke and welcome back to the BG Bakers. In today's video, I'll be making lemon bars. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Stir together 1 cup of flour and 1/4 a cup of granulated sugar in a medium bowl. Cut in 1/3 a cup of softened butter with a pastry blender until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Press the mixture into a 9-inch square pan. Bake it for 15 minutes or until lightly brown. Let it sit for a few minutes and then sprinkle 3/4 of a cup of white chocolate chips over it. Whisk together 2 eggs, 1/4 a cup of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of freshly grated lemon zest, 1/4 a cup of flour, and 3/4 a cup of granulated sugar. Carefully pour your egg mixture over your chocolate chips and crust. Bake it until the middle is set, about 15 minutes. Let them cool completely before enjoying.